Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the reaches of our solar system? What secrets are waiting to be unveiled in the vast, uncharted darkness of space? Today, we're diving into one of humanity's greatest achievements, Voyager 1. Launched in 1977, this spacecraft has traveled over 14 billion miles from Earth, exploring the unknown and sending us messages from the edge of interstellar space. But what it discovered out there will blow your mind. Stick around, because this is a story you'll never forget. Our deep understanding of the cosmos didn't happen overnight. It was shaped by countless discoveries, including the moment Voyager 1 encountered a mysterious force, an event that forever broadened our perspective on space in ways we could never have imagined. Without the daring journeys of these probes, our comprehension of the universe and humanity's greatest achievements in space exploration would remain incomplete. But after decades of journeying through the vastness of the cosmos, one of these legendary explorers now faces new challenges. Join us as we uncover the mysteries of the universe and retrace the awe-inspiring adventures of two extraordinary explorers, the Voyager spacecraft. These groundbreaking probes, launched more than 45 years ago, have navigated the far reaches of space and revealed secrets that have transformed our understanding of the cosmos. Since their launches in 1977, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 have continuously sent us invaluable data, unlocking the wonders of the solar system and beyond. It's hard to believe that when these missions began, there was no internet, no smartphones, and none of the advanced technology we rely on today. Can you imagine that? For nearly half a century, Voyager 1 has traveled across the cosmos, offering us unparalleled glimpses of the universe's marvels. Now, let's dive deeper into the captivating story of these twin pioneers and their incredible legacy. Did you know the Voyager mission has lasted far longer than scientists originally anticipated? Despite extensive research on Earth, the realities of space turned out to be far more unpredictable. The spacecraft, traveling at astonishing speeds relative to the planets, reached critical milestones much faster than expected. This allowed the original 30-year mission to evolve into an incredible, extended journey through the cosmos. Although Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were launched just 2 weeks apart, each following slightly different paths, Voyager 1 quickly surged ahead. Amazingly, it reached its primary destination in just 12 years less than half the time scientists initially estimated. That's right, in the realm of space exploration, 12 years is considered lightning fast. Even more impressive, Voyager 1 became the first spacecraft to cross the boundary of the solar system, a monumental achievement in human history. But this path wasn't without risk. The journey carried significant dangers, including the very real possibility of becoming lost in the infinite expanse of space. Yet, against all odds, these two probes have revolutionized our understanding of space and science. The data and images they've captured continue to astound scientists and NASA engineers, providing insights that were once thought unimaginable. The Voyager missions brought us closer to the wonders of our solar system than ever before. They captured humanity's first close-up images of Jupiter and unveiled the iconic Great Red Spot in stunning detail. But that was just the beginning. These incredible spacecraft delivered groundbreaking discoveries about countless celestial bodies. They revealed water on Europa, identified Ganymede as the largest natural satellite in the solar system, and provided evidence of active volcanoes on Io phenomena we never knew existed or even thought possible. Each discovery enriched our understanding of the solar system in ways that were nothing short of extraordinary. Isn't that amazing? Nearly 13 years after its launch, Voyager 1 reached its primary destination, Saturn. There, it uncovered a wealth of information, from the planet's blistering wind speeds to its remarkably short 10-hour days. Imagine that a full day on Saturn is less than half of ours here on Earth. Voyager 1 also provided invaluable insights into Titan, Saturn's moon, including the discovery of its thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere. And if that wasn't enough, It identified 10 previously unknown moons orbiting the distant planet. After completing their critical work at Saturn, the twin spacecraft parted ways to pursue separate missions. Voyager 2 continued its incredible journey, while Voyager 1 pressed on to break new ground in the vast expanse of space. Voyager 2 set its sights on the final 2 planets of the solar system, while Voyager 1 veered off course to explore the mysterious heliosphere. Together, these twin spacecraft not only answered countless questions about the vastness of space, but also raised intriguing new ones. Take Neptune, for instance. Voyager 2 collected unprecedented data on this distant world, which had long been considered less significant by scientists. How could a planet so far from the Sun, receiving so little solar energy, sustain such complex and varied weather patterns? The findings left scientists both astounded and deeply curious. By 2004, both probes had ventured unimaginably far from Earth, reaching the outermost edges of our solar system. They arrived at what is known as the termination shock, a boundary where the solar wind, once speeding at millions of miles per hour, suddenly slowed to just 250 mph. Compared to the blistering speeds of intergalactic winds, this was a mere crawl. Even as Voyager 1 approached what seemed like its limit, there was still one more monumental barrier to cross, the heliosphere. But what exactly is the heliosphere? In case you're wondering, it's essentially a massive shield, a protective bubble created by the Sun that envelops our solar system. It serves as a safeguard against the harsh forces of interstellar space. Now, let's dive deeper into this invisible barrier and uncover its role in the Voyager probe's incredible journey. The heliosphere acts as a protective shield, safeguarding our planet and solar system from the intense radiation and energy of interstellar space. But nothing has ventured farther into the cosmos than Voyager 1, which has traveled an astonishing 12 billion miles since its launch 45 years ago. What makes this achievement even more incredible is that it was accomplished with technology that, by today's standards, seems almost ancient. Believe it or not, neither Voyager 1 nor Voyager 2 had a microprocessor on board. Those simply didn't exist at the time. Instead, everything had to be hardwired, a design choice that turned out to be a key factor in their remarkable longevity. Scientists and engineers believe this lack of complex software contributed to the probe's extended survival. With minimal software and extremely low-power onboard processors, the Voyagers were able to operate efficiently for decades. For instance, all the data collected by their instruments was stored on an 8-track tape recorder, a technology that feels like a relic of a bygone era. Even more astonishing, this data was transmitted back to Earth using a communication device that consumed roughly the same amount of energy as a refrigerator light bulb. Crazy, right? To think that with such limited and archaic technology, we managed to achieve such extraordinary milestones in space exploration. It truly begs the question, what else might be possible with even more advanced technology? Here's a more engaging rewrite of your script. It's incredible to think that we accomplished so much without sophisticated technology or even a touchscreen. But now, after 45 years of trailblazing exploration, Voyager 1 seems to be facing a mysterious challenge. Could it be a first contact with extraterrestrial life? Is space travel even more dangerous than we imagined? Or is there a simpler explanation? Currently situated roughly 14.5 billion miles from Earth, Voyager 1 remains operational, a testament to the brilliance of its design. However, after decades of solitary travel through the cold, vast emptiness of space, even the most reliable spacecraft begins to show signs of wear and tear. Here's the puzzling part. While Voyager 1 appears to be functioning normally, scientists have discovered that they can't pinpoint its exact location. Despite the fact that it hasn't entered safe mode or triggered any warning signals, its precise position remains unknown. In NASA, scientists and engineers are scratching their heads over this anomaly. But they aren't entirely shocked after all. Malfunctions in a 45-year-old spacecraft aren't exactly unexpected. So, what's going on with Voyager 1? What could it have encountered in the uncharted depths of space that might explain these strange developments? Join us as we dive into the mystery and explore what might be happening to one of humanity's most remarkable space pioneers. Could something mysterious in interstellar space be interfering with Voyager 1? Or is this simply a case of aging technology? Scientists speculate that the probe may be experiencing what they call electronic aphasia, a disruption that scrambles communication and makes its transmitted data nearly impossible to interpret. NASA believes that the data Voyager 1 is sending back might be random, unrelated to the actual status of its Attitude Articulation and Control System, AACS. This system is critical, as it ensures the high-gain antenna stays pointed toward Earth. But instead of the usual routine updates about its health and status, the AACS has started sending corrupted data. To conserve energy and extend the mission set to officially conclude in 2030, NASA has spent the past 3 years turning off non-essential systems on the spacecraft. Yet despite these efforts, occasional setbacks persist. Here's the remarkable part. Voyager 1 continues to function impressively well, even as it sends confusing signals. The probe's antenna remains locked onto Earth, with its radio signal coming in strong and steady. This reassuring detail shows that Voyager 1 is still properly oriented, even if its location data appears inaccurate. So what's causing these strange glitches? Could it be the wear and tear of traveling through space for nearly half a century? Or has Voyager 1 encountered something truly extraordinary in the depths of interstellar space? Voyager 1's protection system, designed to safeguard the spacecraft during malfunctions, hasn't been triggered by its current anomaly, a detail that adds to the mystery. Upon investigating, NASA discovered that the AAC's Attitude Articulation and Control System had been transmitting telemetry data through an onboard computer that malfunctioned years ago. By pinpointing and addressing this root cause, scientists hope to prevent similar issues in the future. The erratic signals are puzzling, but while the situation isn't critical, NASA's team is working tirelessly to decode the latest enigmatic transmissions from this decades-old spacecraft. Voyager 1 was built to endure the harsh, unpredictable environment of space. During its journey through the sun's magnetic field, the probe has been shielded from high-energy particles and solar radiation. However, the occasional strike of high-energy particles on its computer chips can cause minor damage that accumulates over time. Fortunately, NASA engineers anticipated these challenges and designed Voyager 1 to withstand them. Its systems have proven incredibly resilient, lasting far longer than anyone expected. But even the most extraordinary missions must come to an end. After 45 years in deep space, difficult decisions are looming. The mission's success is undeniable, but sacrifices must be made to pave the way for future exploration. As the Voyagers approach the final chapter of their journey, it feels like they've crossed the finish line of an era. Could this be the beginning of the end for one of humanity's greatest spacefaring achievements? The latest malfunction in Voyager 1's onboard computers and AACS signaled that the spacecraft's retirement is near. NASA has begun shutting down its systems and bidding the probe a final goodnight. It's nothing short of amazing that humanity was able to send probes into space that have lasted so long, especially considering these missions began before many of today's advanced technologies even existed. After delivering humanity's closest views of the 2 largest planets in our solar system, the mission is coming to a close. The Voyagers are set to be decommissioned by 2030, marking the end of an era. NASA couldn't be more pleased with the performance of both probes, which have far outlived their original 10-year guarantee, operating more than 10 times longer than expected. Currently, there are just 4 operational components left on Voyager 1 and 5 on Voyager 2. These components are powered by decaying plutonium, which will eventually run out. As a result, the probe's battery output drops by 4 watts every year, forcing NASA to make some tough decisions. To keep the mission going as long as possible, NASA scientists have been gradually powering down non-essential systems. For instance, in 2019, they turned off the heater for the crucial cosmic ray detector. Soon, other instruments like the magnetometer, plasma science instrument, will likely be among the last to go. As Voyager 1 edges toward its final days, it's a bittersweet reminder of how far we've come in space exploration and how close we are to saying goodbye to one of the most incredible achievements in human history. Voyager 1 was originally designed to study Jupiter and Saturn for just a few years. No one expected it to last over 45 years and become humanity's furthest traveled spacecraft. After completing its primary mission, Voyager 1 didn't just shut down, it kept going. In 2012, it crossed the boundary of our solar system, known as the heliopause, officially entering interstellar space. This milestone marked the first time a man-made object left our solar bubble, and its continued journey is rewriting what we know about the universe. It's like sending a message in a bottle and finding out the ocean is far bigger than you imagined. One of the most fascinating parts of Voyager 1 is the Golden Record, a 12-inch gold-plated disc that carries a snapshot of Earth for any extraterrestrial life that might find it. Curated by Carl Sagan and a team of scientists, it contains music, greetings in 55 languages, sounds of nature, and even mathematical equations. It's a time capsule of our civilization, floating through the cosmos. But here's the kicker. The Golden Record also includes Earth's location in the universe, raising the question, was this a brilliant gesture or a risky invitation? Imagine aliens finding it. What would they think of us? One of the most shocking discoveries came in the form of a strange signal detected in 2021. As Voyager 1 moved farther into interstellar space, it picked up persistent plasma waves vibrations that scientists believe come from the vast emptiness of space. These waves are unlike anything we've encountered before, and their origin remains a mystery. Is this just a natural phenomenon, or could it be a clue to something even more extraordinary? The possibilities are endless, and every signal Voyager sends back is a puzzle piece in the grand picture of our universe. Crossing into interstellar space wasn't just a historic moment, it was a treasure trove of data. Voyager 1 has helped scientists understand how the sun's influence ends and the galaxy's begins. It discovered that the interstellar medium is denser than expected, challenging previous theories about the space between stars. Even the boundary of the heliopause itself wasn't as smooth as we thought. It's like a turbulent bubble pushing against the galaxy. Voyager 1's findings are helping us understand how stars and solar systems form and interact. It's as if this tiny spacecraft is peeling back the layers of the universe, one astonishing discovery at a time. Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blessovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.